Okay guys, so I am back from Tuesday morning. I hope you guys enjoyed flipping through the racks with me and seeing what my Tuesday morning had. As I anticipated, there was a lot of Maggie Holmes. I didn't partake in a lot of the Maggie Holmes. I don't need paper pads. I don't need, they didn't have any ephemera packs, or they had some stickers. They had some of the enamel like pin looking stickers for the carousel line. They had a couple small paper pads for a couple of her collections, Gather. But I'm going to show you guys what I got. They also had a ton of Heidi Swap still, Dear Lizzy, Amy Tangerine, lots from Amy Tangerine, I thought. And hopefully you guys could all see that in the video. There was a worker in the aisle the whole time while I was there, so that was a little bit awkward. But for the most part, it wasn't that crowded until the end. There was this one lady who was going through the racks and like taking lots of things. And I was like, I'm glad I made it before she cleared out all the things. But hopefully you guys like this haul and like shopping with me. But let's see what I got. First off, which I think was one of the first things I showed you guys, were these Sticky Thumbs adhesive for $1.99. Now these are my adhesive of choice for foam. I prefer these because they are a full block and I like the thickness. So you get 4 sheets, which is a total of 272 pieces. So if you were to buy the circle ones, you're getting less footage area than the square ones. So I prefer the square ones. This is what I currently use, so I picked those up for $2. I debated getting this the whole time while I was there. You guys know that, or you might not know, but in my latest process videos, I showed you guys that I had the Jen Hadfield sticker book from American Crafts, and they had the Maggie Holmes one out, and I decided to get it. I think they're very useful, and I've used the other one so much already. Like I've pulled it for several layouts already that I figured I could invest in another one. So these are $7, as you can see here. So that's like the price at every Tuesday morning so far that I've seen. And there's several pages, so I'll do a flip through for you guys. But since oh my god, I just ripped it. That's fine. It's just the binding. But as you guys know, since I've been using it, I decided I could pick this one up. Now they also had Vicky Bouton's there. It was in the back, so I don't think I showed you guys that one. But they had Vicky Bouton's. Who else? I guess I'm a little too close. They also had, there was another one. It wasn't Dear Lizzy. It might have been Amy Tan. And I tried to show that in the video as well. But you know how the Tuesday morning racks are? They're very packed. And there is gold foil in this one, which is nice. And I definitely like the stickers in here a little bit better than the stickers in the, which one do I have? Jen Hadfield. She has a lot of clear stickers that are, and her book is like all the same colors. And it's not to say this one's not all the same colors, it's that it seems like these are more common colors than Jen Hadfield's colors. And I have some of Jen Hadfield's products. So I definitely have stuff that can go with her sticker book. It's just a little bit harder to use those with the general population of scrapbooking product, if that makes any sense whatsoever. And if you guys haven't seen these sticker books yet, they normally retail $20 at Hobby Lobby, and I think they can carry them now at Joann's. I haven't seen them at a Joann's yet, but I have seen them at Hobby Lobby, and $20 is a ridiculous price. I understand it's a lot of stickers, but I feel like they wasted some money with the packaging. You know, the grommet on the back, the elastic band. But I do understand that it is an easy way to store them. And this is a gold foil page. And I love using gold. And I think I have more Maggie Holmes. I guess I probably have the same amount of Maggie Holmes and Jen Hadfield in my stash at the moment. I used a little bit of Jen Hadfield in February, so I used a couple of her papers. Maggie Holmes, I'm trying to think. I don't have any of her paper pads. 12 by 12 that is. I think I have her Carousel 6 by 8, so I think that's her newest collection. I'm not 100% sure, but I don't have Gather. I have Bloom. I don't have Gather. I don't know the names of any of the other ones off the top of my head, but absolutely beautiful. I already used this paper. I had that paper from the Bloom collection, but this is pretty Bloom inspired, I think. Don't quote me on that. But you guys probably have already seen this. I just wanted to show you guys in case you haven't. And I would have shown you in an easier way, but this is the best way I got. And I'm thinking I have to turn the video around in editing because all this might end up being backwards, but let's hope not. I'll fix it anyway. So you guys probably won't know a difference, but I love these little deer icons. I love all the words in this one. In the Jen Hadfield one, there are a lot of repeated words. So she had a full sheet of like tiny phrase stickers, but each color had the exact same words, so it didn't change it up much. But luckily I love the colors that those words are, so it's not too bad. And I didn't see any more Maggie Holmes ones there, so if you're looking for those, I don't know if they'll have any, but that's the Maggie Holmes Steelbook, and $6.99. Next up was this find were these older stickers. Now these stickers are the old price, so $1.99. And these are Floral Spice Puffy stickers. I really like the font. I liked the color, the dark teal, and I like the texture of these stickers. I like the foam, not foam, the, you know, feeling of them, but they're dark teal. I think they're a little bit, they look gray on camera. They're definitely dark teal. And then another sticker set I got, these ones are the new price, the $2.19, but these are the Delight Foam Thickers, 256, love small fonts. That's why I picked this one up. And as you guys know, during my move, I don't have all of my stuff with me at the moment. So there's the SKU if you need it, but love this font as well. Some impulse purchases. These are some Paige Evan embellishments. Now these I believe are from one of her newest collections. I don't think it says it on here, but these were $1.49, and these are little heart charms. I think these are from her. I got some of this paper and I cannot tell you what it is called, but you see just little metal charms, and I've been want to work on some more 6x8 and chipboard albums, so I can hang these on the outside of them. But I think these are really cute, and I want to get into some sewing projects and what's it called, embroidery. So I think these would be cute for projects like that. And this was the SKU. I don't think I showed you guys. I know sometimes people ask for these when watching Tuesday morning hauls, so I just want to make sure that I do that for those people. Another impulse purchase was this Jen Hadfield home and made washi paper. I don't have any washi like this. I have stickers like this, like sticker strips, but not washi stickers. So it's a washi book. So this is the front page, but here's all the pages. There's 4 pages. I didn't really love the front side, like the cheetah print put me off, and I was like, Animal Kingdom, I could use it on there, but I really liked these other ones on the back with the mint and the gold, and again by Jen Hadfield in 2015, and these were $1.99, and I think you get 36 different strips, and I love washi tape, so this should not be hard to use up at all. And I like how more portable this is. So like if I was doing a kit, I could include this whole thing rather than gathering a bunch of my washi tapes in my stash. Another impulse purchase. I just randomly saw this. This is an old Amy Tangerine sticker set. Let's see, 2018. It's not old at all. So this is last year's sticker set, 183 pieces, and they're all craft based. So there's a little bit of a gold foil on some of them. And on the back, there's a whole alphabet. And if you guys remember, I went through a huge craft phase. I still absolutely adore it. I especially use it on cards and smaller projects with my 8.5 by 11 cardstock. So love, love, love these. Not sure which collection this is from, 2018. No idea. No idea what collection that would be. I do not keep up with the collections, guys. And then lastly, I got one large item, and it is Maggie Holmes, and this is the Gather chipboard. They had another chipboard there, but it wasn't carousel. Maybe it was. It definitely wasn't Bloom. It might have been carousel, but I don't need those kind of icons. Oh, you know what? I think it actually had a llama on it. Does any of her stuff have llamas? Maybe it wasn't Maggie Holmes after all. I think I did show it though. But they had other chipboard there. This is $2.99 for the Maggie Holmes Gather 12x12 gold glitter chipboard. So there's some close-ups. Hopefully it's focusing on some of that, but absolutely beautiful pieces. Some of the iffy pieces that I thought about were the piano, but I did take piano lessons when I was a child, so that'll work. I also just noticed that this is a little bit damaged. I don't think that'll show up on camera though. I don't know. The word gather in the middle looks like it had adhesive strewn across it. But I think those are the only iffy pieces. Like the head silhouettes are odd, but And the unicorn's gonna be hard, but that's just like one birthday card and it's gone, you know. But you kind of see the damage maybe in the word gather there across the T and the H over there. See it right here. You can kind of see it. There's a little bit of an indent there. You can see it. Okay, there you go. Anyway, picked this up, $2.99, not too bad. So overall I spent $23, I think. But I think it was a good haul overall. Again, they had a lot of stuff there. As I tried to show you guys as much as I could. But again, one, it's very awkward to film in public. And it's also very hard to film when there's workers there. It makes me very uncomfortable because obviously they don't know what I'm exactly doing. And I don't want them to think that I'm like shoplifting or anything like that. So this was our haul for today. Let me know what you guys thought of the store itself. Was it like better than your store, cleaner than your store? I'm always interested in learning about other people's Tuesday mornings, but this was the haul for today. Let me know what you guys would love to have from this haul. I don't think I'll be going back anytime soon. That's why I wanted to film this video for you guys. So when I do go back, it'll be like, oh, what's there, you know, a month from now or something. To see that sort of changeover. I know some people go every week because they know when their store gets new items in or when their store has like, you know, restock or reorganization. But I don't have the necessary need to do that, especially with all the stuff I do have. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and let me know if you liked it down below because I'm always interested in what you guys like. But thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.